Hey everyone, Alex here with one of our full color stretch transfers, and I'm about to show you how to press one of these onto a t-shirt. Let's go. To find them from the home page, go to Heat Transfers in DTF, scroll down to Digital Screen Printed Heat Transfers, and it'll be the third one. Alright, so our full color stretch transfers are a combination of screen printing and digital printing with water-based ink. So the printing is done in the CMYK model, which means that you aren't limited to picking a certain number of colors as opposed to screen printed transfers. These are great for vibrant and durable designs, and you can get started with 11.5 by 18 gang sheets that start at $24.35 with the Pro Plan per sheet. When I say a durable transfer, I mean it is very durable. It lasts over 75 washes with sustained vibrancy. And you can apply this on 100% cotton, polyester, spandex, nylon, mesh, canvas, tri-blends, a bunch of materials that you can see on the product page. And it's super easy to press, which I'll show you in the next segment. But if you want to look at the art guidelines, or if you want any help with the art guidelines, we also have that service available, and you can check them out on the product page as well. And if you scroll down, you can also see what the pricing looks like when you want to order a higher quantity of sheets. Now, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to press these sheets. First, set your temperature between 280 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 100% cotton, which I'm using from our preferred blank provider, Super Soft Apparel, of course. And set your pressure to 60 psi on an automatic machine, or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine, and you're going to press for 12 seconds. This is a hot peel transfer, so you can peel it right off the t-shirt, hot off the press. And just like that, you're done in a couple of minutes.